Now this is from Gibson, Sur la Table Kitchen Essentials. This is going to be the 8-inch stainless chef's frying pan. Take a look what we got here. Gas range, electric range, glass stovetop safe, induction safe, oven safe, so you can put this actually in the oven, and dishwasher safe. Take that off there and take a look at it. The bottom there, it's got a nice thick portion on the bottom. It's nice and thick. Handle's riveted really well. Pretty sturdy handle. And it's stainless steel. So if you're looking for a stainless steel frying pan that you can put in the oven or on any type of a range, there you go. From Gibson. Sur la Table Kitchen Essentials.